Every great achievement begins with an idea, a need, a shape, a weight to be lifted. At ICEM, everything starts here, in front of a screen, a drawing, a project coming to life. Because before we build, we imagine, we study every detail, every measurement, every work environment. It's in this phase that the impossible becomes possible. Every machine is unique, just like the problem it's meant to solve. We don't produce in series, we design custom solutions created for those who seek answers, not compromises. And only then does design become matter. The metal takes shape. It starts with the cutting, where precision is everything. Each sheet is shaped with millimetric care. Welding unites the parts with strength and harmony, turning separate pieces into a single, indestructible structure. Then come washing and drying, a key phase in surface preparation. Painting gives protection and identity. ICEM color is not just about aesthetics, it's a symbol of durability and recognition. Finally, assembly completes the work. This is where the machine comes to life, when every piece finds its place with artisanal precision. Everything is done in-house, under one roof, to ensure quality, precision, and control at every stage. But our work doesn't end there. Every machine is individually tested before leaving the factory. Performance, safety, load capacity, everything must be perfect. Only when it passes every test can a pallet truck bear the ICEM name. And even after delivery, we stand by our customers. A warehouse dedicated to original spare parts, a technical department always ready to act, and support that follows each machine over time, because quality doesn't end with the sale. It continues through service. Because for us, lifting the impossible is not an exception. It's our standard.